How to save a location in Google Maps. So if you try to visit a location and you want to revisit the location once again, then you can easily save the location on the maps so that you can easily access it without searching for the address once again. So here basically I'm going to walk you through how to save location in Google Maps. So for the note of this, if you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now to do this, all you just need to do is go ahead and open the Google Maps on your phone. So this could be on Android and it could be on iPhone. Now, once you open the Google Maps on your phone, go ahead and search for where you want to save on the Google Maps. So here, let's say I want to search for an airport. Then this is the airport I want to save, right? Then what I just need to do is this. Press and hold the airport. Once you press and hold the airport, then you should see it comes up like this. Then on the navigation, swipe like this on the navigation until you see the save button. Now go ahead and click on that. Then you can either create a new list to add the address to or select from the existing list. Start place, travel plan, and want to go. Then since an airport is more like a travel plan, so just check travel plan. If you need to remember anything about this place, so just come here and type it. So I can just see airport address. Then click on done. Then you should see the saved location here. So that is basically how to save locations on Google Maps. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.